Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the latest update of the Vechain, my friends. My friends, what's going on in the Vechain? What's the current price of Vechain? And my friends, absolutely it's time to buy more and more Vechain, my friends, because the changes in the Vechain is going positive. My prediction, my technical analysis is going positive about Vechain, and I'm sure about that Vechain will take a huge pump. Vechain will take a huge pump, especially my friends tomorrow or next day. Tomorrow or next day the Vechain starts jumping. You can see here, my friends, that the current situation of the Vechain is not good, but I hope with the passage of time the changes of the Vechains will become good and they give you profit, my friends. I'm clear about that Vechain, if anybody hold Vechain to the end of this month, so they get only profit, not loss, my friends. They get only profit, not loss. It's time to make a huge profit with the Vechain, my friends. You know what? It is the end of month. That is why I recommend for everybody to invest now in a Vechain, my friends. Because it is the end of month. That's why I recommend for everybody. Anyways, what do you think? What is your prediction about Vechain? Also share in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.